Hey guys, it's Tubliss Repair. Today I'm going to be checking out this Tubliss system in the rear of my 2005 Honda CR250. The problem I'm having is it keeps losing air, and I'm going to show you how to kind of check it out and see what's going on, try to figure out why it's losing air and how to fix it. I figured it out on this one here, and I'm going to show you what I did. But before we get started, guys, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for further notifications so you can see all my videos I put up every Monday. Let's get started. Alright, so basically you want to start out with the wheel up in the air so that you can spin it and rotate it. And what I did is I took the two valve stems, I filled up the inner one to 100 pounds, and I filled up the outer one to like 15 to 20. So here's our outside one here, and this is our inside. So I got this one at 100, and I got this one at about 18 pounds. And what you want to do is just start shooting soapy water on it. So I got a bottle here with a lot of Dawn dishwashing detergent or whatever, any kind of dishwashing detergent that makes a lot of bubbles, and just sit here and spray and spray and spray. And then what I found out with this tire, I have no punctures or anything, but I do have two sections here. You can see it right there coming out. And what that is one right there, and there's another one right here. Okay, and what that is these little new tire nibs right here. Here's one right here. See that right there? That is actually folded underneath and got stuck in between the rim. So, and you can see it. I don't know if you'll be able to see it close in there, but you can kind of see it. All right, so it's just folded. There you go. You can see it right there. See how it's folded in there. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to let the pressure out of both of them, the inner and the outer, so I can push the bead away from that. I'm going to push the bead away, flip those out, the two that are causing me to lose air, and then I should be able to inflate it and have no problems at all. These Tubliss systems work great. They feel really good on the trails. They're totally worth getting and using. I got this one used, but just needs a couple little things. And right here. And this is not anything that the Tubliss system needs. This is just a tire mounting issue. So let me get that taken care of, and then I'll be right back with you. All right, so with the air out of both of them here, I'm just gonna push the tire in a little bit to get that side carcass there, and then just pull that guy out of there. There you go. See that? That's what's causing my problems right there. A little bit. Another one. And I imagine this is a problem with many tires if they have that set up like that. There we go. Alright, so now that I got these three out, and these are the three that were leaking, I'm going to go ahead and fill it back up. I'm going to spray some lube in there where I just pull those out to make sure the tire seat's good again. And I'm going to reinflate it. Alright, so spray some more in here. Let's see. Perfect. Got nothing coming out of it. Here's our three that we were looking at. Now that we have those, you can see them there. Now that I got them out of the way, air can't get past it. Looking good. Alright guys, so that's it. It's real simple. These Tubliss systems are great. You just got to remember, when they're sealing, they need to seal against a smooth surface. There can't be anything stuck in between there. If you run a tire really low and you get some grass or debris or a branch in between debris your tire and your rim, you got to make sure that stuff is cleaned all out. If you're having problems with sealing, make sure you lube it up real good with a spray, so when you inflate it, it slides into place the way it needs to. It was real simple to figure out the leak in this, and I got it fixed. So I'm looking forward to going riding. Hopefully you guys have these. If you have a problem like this where you're constantly losing air, man, just figure it out and get it done. It's really not a big deal. And these systems are great. And I think a lot of people probably have this same issue and don't realize that something that small can cause the problems that they're having. So get those Tubliss systems working good, and go out and enjoy riding, guys. Until next time, this is Tubliss Repair.